Welcome back to another video. And today, this is an unboxing kind. Brother back there. So, we got this Super Mario Nintendo controller. So let's check the back. I don't feel lazy. Alright. So let's open the tape. The annoying part about I kind of opened the tape, so I don't have to waste time. Weep. Why do they always use tape? Like, bro, you have to make them easy to open. Boom! It already opened. So then, when we open it, inside we're gonna have our cable, 10 foot. Wow, yeah. So, here it is. We don't want to open it now because just leave that off to the side. I just opened. The best part about the unboxing, not the plastic, the controller. So let's leave the controller on the ground and see what we got. This is not the special part. What is this? The manual? Not the special part. In the box. Trash. This is so light. I have one of these without a wire. This is a little heavier. This is a little lighter. Bro, like, what are these? Like, when you drive on a car, you have these shifters, like, that gives you more power. I don't know what these do. Maybe I could try them at Mario Kart. And now we have a third controller. No, a fourth, right? Well, we need a fourth controller to play.
Because
Yeah.
Because one for the Nintendo Switch and another joke.
Alright, Ryan, I was sorry interrupted. Like, bro, look how sick this was. Guys, don't offend me. I'm not like a cheapskers, but I bought this from Ross. Are you bought this from Ross? You're crap. Yeah, that's how you guys gonna be like. I wonder, what are these buttons in the back for? It's really light. I like a little more heavier. Yeah, but beep.